Students, now we will see the equivalent fraction. As you see here the figure, the circles are there and we make a parts, but all each parts make a whole equally. Yes, that means we make a equal parts and these all are the part make equally. That is the equivalent fraction. Say for example here A, B, C, D. A boy, B boy, C boy and D boy. They paint the circle in a different way. Yes, different way. That means the A boy said, I paint a half of the circle. So half of the circle, that means we will write as one half or half of the circle. Now here the B boy said, I paint two equal part of this two parts. So that means here the equal total parts are 4. So 2/4. Yes, we read as this fraction as 2/4 part he paints. Now C boy paints 3 parts and the total number of parts are 6. So 3/6 part he painted. Now he paints 4 parts. The 4 part, that means here the total number of parts are 8. So 4/8 part he paints. So students, here equivalent fraction, that means here they feel that they paint so many parts. Yes, he said 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. Is that mean that the D paint more portion than A? No. They paint, all students, all children paint equally. Yes, as you can understand through this figure. So we can say that this kind of this fraction are equivalent fraction. Now student, we will find the equivalent fractions. Here the two methods are given in the equivalent fractions, that by multiplication and by division. As you observe that the equivalent fractions are look like a different, but somehow we find it that they are as equal. Yes, that I make the circles and different parts. The child feel that he paint more portion, but if you see the figure, the so many parts are there, but they paint equally. Yes, so this way here also we are finding the equivalent fraction. So here the 3/4 portion are given. Now we have to find out which are the other fractions same as the 3/4. So how we will find that? So same as that we use the word equivalent fraction. Now what is the method, that the multiplication. First we will learn for the equivalent fraction finding by multiplication. So in this, if the question is given finding that, so that what the fraction is given here, 3/4. So 3/4 we will write, and by multiplication of that means we multiply by a numerator and denominator with same number. Yes, so here the same number 3 we will write here 3 by 2, 3 multiplied by 2, and the same denominator 3, 4 multiplied by 2. So what is 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So 6 by 8, that means 6 8 here is the equivalent 6 by 8, and the next if this is the 1. Yes, now I want to find the one more. It is written here two equivalent fraction. So 3 by 4. Now I multiply with 3. Yes. Now what is this? 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So this is one more equivalent fraction. So I can say that 3 by 4 equal to 6 by 8 equal to 9 by 12. So that means I put here equal to sign because we find here the equivalent fraction. 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 9 by 12. Say for example, here I make this circle, okay? This fourth portion. I take 3 portion of this. Yes? 3 portion. Now, so students, I make here the 12 equal parts and out of 12, paint 9 parts. Yes? So, the left 3 parts here, left 2 parts here and 1 part. So, it is a quarter are equal. That means the paint portions are equal. So, that's why we can say that these all are the fractions are equivalent fractions. I make it clear that for that reason I draw here the figures. Now on that basis of figures you understand clearly. So the equivalent fraction we find the first one, the method is by multiplication, and when we multiply with this any number we multiply that number with numerator and denominator. That same number we use for both sides. Yes, then multiply by 2, then find the one equivalent fraction. Then for more you can also do that 3 multiply by 4. Then be careful, multiply by both sides, that is numerator and denominator. So you get one more equivalent fraction. So finally we will write here. So 3 by 4 is equal to 6 by 8 is equal to 9 by 12.